And New Year isn't slowing down the unprecedented spread of COVID-19, and public health officials say we still haven't felt the crush of cases expected from holiday gatherings. CBS News correspondent David Begnaud has the latest.
Attention, to help stop the spread of COVID-19.
Los Angeles, Tampa, Portland, scenes of packed airports across the country. Exactly what health officials were desperate to avoid.
It's terrible, it's unfortunate, but it was predictable that we were going to see the number of cases that we're seeing now. My concern is that it could get worse over the next couple of weeks.
Packed New Year's Eve celebrations like this one in New York City also have authorities concerned. In Los Angeles, which is under lockdown, police officers raided at least 6 illegal parties on Thursday night that they called potential super spreader events. Meanwhile, the situation at some LA County hospitals has grown so dire that the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers was called in to help with oxygen shortages.
These buildings and facilities were not designed to have 100% ICU for people on oxygen.
On a separate note, the country's vaccine rollout is struggling to keep up. In both Texas and Florida, seniors waited in line for hours to get their shots.
It's been a long wait. They should have been better prepared.
While in Tennessee, some people waited overnight only to be turned away. According to the CDC, more than 13 million doses have been distributed in the U.S., but only 4.2 million have actually been injected into people. Both fall short of the federal government's goal of 20 million by the end of December. Moncef Slaoui, the head of Operation Warp Speed run by the Trump administration, says it's up to the states, not the federal government, to effectively distribute doses.
I don't think we are able to identify exactly which long-term care facility or which CVS store should be getting more vaccine or less vaccine. That has to be done with people that have granular knowledge of their population.
Tell that to the mayor of Los Angeles, where a new COVID case is reported every 6 seconds. He blames Washington for the lack of coordination.
While Washington dithered, while they went on vacations, while they didn't pass a relief bill for 7 or 8 months, we could have been training out of work folks and students to be ready. We knew that the surge was coming in the winter.
You know, the head of Operation Warp Speed, which is overseen by the Trump administration, is talking about stretching out the doses that they have, and they've spoken to the FDA and the drug company Moderna about this. And essentially what they do is take the existing vaccines and give half doses to people moving forward. And there's data, according to Operation Warp Speed's director, that shows that a half dose apparently triggers the same immune response as a full dose. Now, they're looking at doing this for 18-year-olds to 55-year-olds moving forward, because giving half doses would mean you have more doses for more people. So we'll see if it pans out. David Begnaud, CBS News, Los Angeles County, California.